You're scrolling through your feed right now, knowing you should probably close the app, but you just cannot put the phone down. I get it. I used to be a chronic night owl. My sleep schedule was so embarrassing. I couldn't drag myself out of bed before 11 a.m., and I felt guilty about it every single day. Every fitness guru on the internet tells you to just force yourself to wake up at 5 a.m. But if you try to magically shift your schedule by 4 hours overnight, you're just going to end up staring at the ceiling in the dark, completely miserable. So instead of trying to fix everything in one night, I tried a much slower, stupidly simple method that actually worked. But before I tell you the method, we need to know, why can't we just put the phone down? Why is changing a night routine so incredibly hard? Psychologists actually have a name for this. It's called revenge bedtime procrastination. When your daytime hours are packed with work, chores, deadlines, you feel like you have zero control over your life. By the time night hits, your brain desperately craves freedom. And to be honest, it's kind of true, because I'm sure all of us feel that nighttime gives us some sort of a freedom. We feel this sense of peace, so we just want to stay awake and enjoy our time. I know it's exciting, but as time goes by, you'll see that this routine will start to affect your health. The screens we stare at emit a high concentration of blue light. In nature, the only thing that emits blue light is the morning sun. So, when you scroll through reels at 1 a.m., the light hits your eyes. Your brain literally thinks it's noon, so it completely pauses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy. You're forcing your brain to stay awake when it's supposed to be shutting down. So, how do we actually fix this? You can't force a broken routine through just willpower. You have to trick your biology. So, I spent weeks testing different methods, and I stumbled upon a simple system that took me from an 11 a.m. wake up to a consistent high energy 9 a.m. routine. Step 1. Stop trying to fix your mornings. You have to fix your nights first. And you have to do it in small micro steps. If you usually fall asleep at 2 a.m., your goal for tonight isn't midnight. It's 1:30 a.m. You need to ease your circadian rhythm backwards in small 30-minute increments. For example, you slept at 1:30 a.m. and then next day you'll have to sleep at 1 a.m. So it's more like a half an hour decrease each night. If you try to go too fast, your body temperature and hormone cycles won't align, and you'll just get hit with severe insomnia. So it's better to just keep it 30 minutes. Step 2. This is where my favorite accidental discovery comes in. Chamomile tea, exactly 45 minutes before your target bedtime. This isn't some cozy grandma remedy, there is real biochemistry happening here. Chamomile contains a unique antioxidant called apigenin. Apigenin travels straight to your brain and binds directly to your GABA receptors. GABA is the exact neurotransmitter responsible for calming down your central nervous system. Drinking it basically acts like a handbrake for your racing thoughts, lowering your anxiety and signaling your body that it is safe to sleep. And the final step. The moment you finish that tea, your phone gets switched off completely and placed all the way across the room. No exceptions. By removing that blue light and the endless scrolling, you allow your natural melatonin to finally flood your system. The first 2 nights are going to feel uncomfortable. Your brain is a dopamine addict and it will scream for a screen. You will roll around, toss and turn, you will look at the walls, and it will feel like it isn't working. But that's just your brain readjusting itself. By day 4, you'll naturally start to feel sleepy early. So all you have to do right now is commit to this routine. Fix the next 30 minutes, drink the tea, kill the screen, and give yourself 7 days to see the actual results. And also comment if you're planning to try this method. Till then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.